Today we are going to start our day 4 classes. Okay na? ఈరోజు ఏంది డే 4 క్లాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఓకేనా? అందులో పార్ట్గా మీకు ఆల్రెడీ 3 క్లాసెస్ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయినాయి. అవన్నీ సెంటెన్సెస్ కూడా నేర్చుకున్నారు కదా. ఓకే, వెరీ గుడ్. ఇప్పుడు ఈరోజు మనం డే 4. ఓకే, డే 4లో పార్ట్గా మనము మన కంట్రీ గురించి, ఓకే, అబౌట్ మై కంట్రీ. ఓకే, we are learning about our country. Okay, then we say about my country. ఓకే నా, అంటే మా కంట్రీ గురించి, ఓకే, మన కంట్రీ గురించి చెప్తున్నాం అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? అట్లా దాని గురించి మనం ఏం చెప్పాలి మన కంట్రీ గురించి, ఓకేనా? దానికి సంబంధించి ఇక్కడ మాకు ఒక 10 సెంటెన్సెస్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా? ఈ సెంటెన్సెస్ని మనం ఎవరితోనైనా మాట్లాడినప్పుడు అట్లాంటి టైంలో యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో డే 4లో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం? వాట్ వీఆర్ లర్నింగ్ ఆన్ డే 4 అబౌట్ మై కంట్రీ. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? వర్క్ షీట్స్. ఫస్ట్ వర్క్ షీట్స్ని ఓపెన్ చేయాలి. వర్క్ షీట్స్లో డే 4 ఉంది కదా, డే 4 వర్క్ షీట్ని ఓపెన్ చేసుకోండి. అండ్ పెన్సిల్ అండ్ నోట్బుక్ కూడా దగ్గర ఉంచుకోవాలి. ఓకే, తీసుకున్నారా? ఓకే, సో మనం క్లాస్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్, ఇండియా ఈజ్ మై కంట్రీ. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ సెంటెన్స్? ఇండియా ఈజ్ మై కంట్రీ. ఓకేనా? what to say, which country from you are? Somebody asks us, then we say India is my country. Or మనం ఎవరితోనైనా చెప్పేటప్పుడు India is my country. Okay, like that we express India is my country. Okay, చెప్పండి once, India is my country. Okay, remember here what is the spelling of India? I-N-D-I-A. Okay, everyone must be remember this spelling. Okay, I-N-D-I-A, India. Okay, India is my country. Say with me, India is my country. Okay, then after that, what is second one? It means our country, that is India. It is lies in the continent of Asia. Okay, what here saying? India is lies in the continent of Asia. Okay, here lies means, okay, it situated or అక్కడ ఉంటుంది, located. ఓకేనా? తెలుగులో అంటే అక్కడ ఉంటుంది. ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది? the continent of Asia. Continent. Okay, continent means group of countries. Okay, some group of countries is called continent. Okay, some group of countries is called continent, and the continent name is Asia. Okay, in Asia India lies. Okay, how to say, how to express? It is lies in the continent of Asia. Say with me, it is lies in the continent of Asia. Asia అనే కాంటినెంట్ లో ఉంటుంది అని చెప్పేసి చెప్తాం. ఏంటి? ఇండియా. ఇండియా ఈజ్ మై కంట్రీ. ఇట్ లైస్ ఇన్ ద continent of Asia. Okay, చెప్పండి. Say with me, India is lies in the continent of Asia. Okay, next third one, India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, India have some two names, two names. What are they? India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, what are the other names of India? Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, and next, say with me, India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. Okay, we can say in the place of India we can call that Bharat and Hindustan, both also. Okay, these two are also names of our country. Okay, and next one, India is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, remember this one. What is it? India is the seventh largest. Largest means biggest. Okay, largest country in the world. Okay, in area there is biggest. Okay, which place will our country get? Seventh place. Okay, in the whole world. Okay, in the whole world, India is the seventh largest country. Seventh largest country in the world. Okay, say India is the seventh largest country in the world. Okay, remember which place our country taken? Seventh place in whole world. Okay, now then next one is India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. Okay, do you all know we host flag on 15th August? Do you remember this date? 15th August. Okay. Okay, on 15th August we got independence. Okay, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Okay, on 15th August 1947. Okay, say India got independence on 15th August 1947. From whom we got independence? From British rule. Okay, before 1947 we are under the rule of Britishers. Okay, then in 1947 15th August we got our independence. Okay, when we got independence, India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. Okay, India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. Okay, remember these are very important. Okay, every sentence is very important. Okay, we have a lot of information here. You must remember this all information. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. You may already know. Okay, what is that? New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. What is our country's capital? I mean India's capital. India's capital is New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, and next one, rupee is the currency of India. Okay, what is India's currency? Rupee. What is that? Rupee. Rupee is the currency of India. Say with me. Rupee is the currency of India. Okay, currency means money. You already know na? Currency means money. Okay, we call them rupee. Okay, and eighth one, what is that? Hindi is a national language of India. Hindi is a national language of India. Okay, say with me. Hindi is a national language of India. Okay, Hindi is national language of India. All over India we can speak Hindi. Everyone will be understand it. That's why this is called national language. Okay, and the next one is Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. You already know. What is that? Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Who is our Prime Minister? Or who is India's Prime Minister? Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Okay, and the next one we can say I am proud of my country. I am proud of my country. We feel proud of our country. Why? Because we have very specialities. Okay, what are those? Okay, India is the 7th largest country and we got freedom on 15th August 1947 from British rule, and New Delhi is the capital of India, and rupee is the currency of India, and Hindi is a national language of India, and Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. That's why we all should be proud of my country. Okay, I am proud of my country. When we feel proud about our country, then we will say I am proud of my country. Okay, so you all learn these all sentences. Okay, from these sentences I will ask you some questions. Okay, after cleaning this board I will ask you some questions. Okay, you must be answer every question. Okay, once I repeat all these sentences. Okay, I repeat all these sentences once again. What is the first one? India is my country. It is lies in the continent of Asia. Okay, continent of Asia. Okay, and India is also called Bharat and Hindustan. Bharat and Hindustan. And India is the 7th largest country in the world. 7th largest country. Okay. India got independence on 15th August 1947 from British rule. Okay. Next, New Delhi is the capital of India. What is the capital of India? New Delhi is the capital of India. Okay, rupee is the currency of India. Rupee is the currency of India. Hindi is a national language of India. Okay, next, Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. And last sentence, I am proud of my country. Okay, can I ask some questions about these sentences? Okay, I will ask you after this class, tomorrow's class. Okay, I will ask about this class tomorrow. Okay, you must answer every question. Okay, and take what is your homework today? Have you done your homework yesterday? నిన్నటి హోంవర్క్ చేశారా నాన్న అందరూ? ఓకే చేశారా? ఓకే వాట్సాప్ లో అప్లోడ్ చేశారా అందరూ హోంవర్క్? ఓకే వెరీ గుడ్. సో టుడేస్ హోంవర్క్. What is today's homework? These all sentences, each sentence write 10 times. Each sentence 10 times. How many times? 10 times. Okay, take your homework book and take new fresh page and keep again heading day 4. Okay, keep a heading day 4. Okay, and write about my country. Okay, it is small heading. And next, first one, India is my country. Write 10 times. And next another sentence, write 10 times. Another sentence. Okay, like these total 10 sentences. Write each sentence in 10 times in your homework notes. Okay, okay, understand? Okay, this is about our country. Okay, this is about our country, and you must remember all these things. Okay Nana? Okay, I will ask about these sentences about our country tomorrow. Okay, you must answer. Okay, you must answer. Okay na? Okay children, bye.